The Galaxy S24 Ultra, which was recently unveiled, is proving to be an exceptional smartphone. It boasts a remarkably bright screen, a sturdier frame, faster performance, improved cameras, and longer battery life. Surprisingly, its most underrated feature is the Gorilla Glass armor protection, which provides excellent durability. However, not everything is perfect with its new screen. Despite receiving high praise from reviewers, some early customers are expressing dissatisfaction with one crucial aspect of the flagship smartphone, the display. The display on the S24 Ultra seems to have color-related issues, with complaints ranging from a dull notification area to awful colors on the home screen and app drawer. Several S24 Ultra users have noticed that the display renders slightly washed-out colors compared to its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. This problem only occurs when using the vivid color profile in the phone's display settings. However, when using the natural color profile, the colors appear similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Users have taken to social media platforms like Reddit and X to voice their concerns about this issue. Additionally, Samsung insider Ice Universe has compiled a list of complaints, including negative comments such as, "My S23 Ultra looks much better, and the screen is so dull that I switched back to my S23 Ultra." Initially, there was speculation that Samsung's new anti-reflective Corning Gorilla Glass armor screen coating was to blame for the reduction in picture quality. This situation could have been disastrous for Samsung, as it would have meant no solution for existing smartphones. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus seem to be facing the same issue. Take a look at the image here, and you'll notice that enabling the vivid profile enhances the color saturation on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. However, when you try the same display profile on the S24 Ultra, the color intensity barely changes. Some users have reported that the toggle for the vivid color profile might not be functioning properly, resulting in the option not working as intended. Fortunately, a simple software update can easily resolve this problem. We hope that the South Korean company will release an update in the near future to address this issue, as well as others. In its current state, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a few other concerns. Users have expressed dissatisfaction with the always-on display mode, as it appears to lack certain options, such as landscape rotation and separate brightness controls. The brightness of the always-on display mode is tied to the main screen brightness on the S24 series, which could be too bright for nighttime use. Additionally, the phone's camera tends to overexpose some scenes in daylight conditions, while details in low-light conditions are not as pronounced as they should be. Fortunately, Samsung is well aware of the issue and is already diligently working on a solution. They have confirmed this in a screenshot from their chat support, stating that their dedicated team of developers is currently addressing the problem specifically for the Samsung S24. So, rest assured that a forthcoming software update will resolve this issue entirely. It's worth mentioning that this bug does not affect media playback, allowing you to continue enjoying videos and games with the full color capabilities of Samsung's latest display while waiting for the fix. Rest assured, the phone's hardware is not faulty. Although Samsung has not provided a specific timeline for the fix, considering the relatively minor nature of the problem, it is reasonable to expect a prompt resolution. I have personally reached out to Samsung for further comment, and will update you all as soon as I receive a response. If any of you are experiencing the same issue with the latest S24 lineup, please let us know in the comment section below. Additionally, for more updates, be sure to visit our channel. Thank you for your support, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care and peace out.